Timing matters, but understanding why timing matters separates confident buyers from reactionary ones. Buying at the right point in the market cycle could mean stronger equity, better financing terms, and long-term growth. Today, we're breaking down how real estate cycles work, how they impact prices in Sunny Isles Beach, and how to align timing with your goals. I'm Candice Bell, luxury real estate expert. Let's dive in. What are market cycles? Real estate cycles move through distinct phases: recovery, expansion, hypersupply, and recession, each with their own unique opportunities and challenges for buyers. Recovery is the rebuilding phase. Demand begins to rise quietly, and savvy buyers who act early often lock in better prices before the wider market catches on. Expansion is marked by growth, confidence, and price increases. Buyers benefit from property appreciation and stronger equity positions. Hypersupply occurs when new listings outpace buyers' activity, creating more negotiation power but require careful selection to avoid stagnant units. Recession tends to open up the best opportunities for value buyers: more listings, fewer bidders, and sellers who may be more open to negotiation. When do buyers typically win in Sunny Isles? Historically, the best times to buy are during the late summer and early fall, August to October, when seasonal demand slows. Price appreciation tends to rise, leading to the high season from December through March. Buyers who enter just before the upswing often secure better terms and higher future value. Tracking market indicators locally, like average days on market and new listings, helps signal timing. Please keep in mind, while historical trends and seasonal patterns provide helpful guidance, market conditions can shift rapidly due to economic, political, and local development changes. Always consult with a qualified real estate advisor for the most up-to-date insights tailored to your goals. Match your buying window with your goals. If you're buying for rental income, entering the market before high season allows you to have the unit ready to lease when demand spikes, maximizing occupancy and income. Long-term investors benefit from buying when there is less competition, allowing them to negotiate better terms and build appreciation as the market recovers. Lifestyle buyers may prioritize finding the right building and amenities, but timing can still help you negotiate incentives, upgrades, or better pricing. Relocating? Consider shopping after peak season when there are more options and sellers are more motivated, making the process smoother and less rushed. Things to keep in mind. Timing helps, but waiting for the perfect time can mean missing out on the right property. The best strategy combines data, financial preparedness, and property match. Real estate cycles can vary by neighborhood, even in the same zip code. Use market cycles as a tool, not the only factor in your buying decision. What's next? You take action. Here are a few tips to get started. Review historical pricing trends in your preferred buildings to identify consistent buying patterns. Monitor inventory and pricing changes monthly to spot early signs of market shifts. Talk with a financial advisor to time your financing and tax planning for maximum benefit. Set your buying criteria now so when the right unit appears, you're ready to act. And last but not least, you are not alone. If any of this seems like more than you want to handle, contact me today for your luxury consultation, where I'll provide you with a custom game plan on how to identify the best opportunities, structure profitable deals, and position your investment for maximum returns. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more real estate insights. And for more detailed tips on investing in Sunny Isles Beach, grab your Sunny Isles VIP guide, your go-to resource for navigating this thriving market. Thanks for watching.